why. With a real quick porch makeover. Cleaned everything off real good. I used some Mrs. Meyer's cleaner, wiped everything down, blew all the leaves off. That white cedar thing is from Tina. The leaf garden is from Hobby Lobby. The other decor is mostly from Hobby Lobby. The big pumpkins from a local business. Samantha made me the McLaughlin pumpkin sign. It's from Hobby Lobby. Anyway, just real quick, pillow covers are from Amazon. And that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.